Hello everyone, not receiving verification text on Mint Mobile. Don't worry, in this video, I'll share quick and effective solutions to resolve the issue and ensure you stay connected hassle free. Let's dive in. Incorrect or outdated APN settings can block SMS delivery. Network unavailability or weak signal strength in your area could prevent text from arriving. Airplane mode or do not disturb settings might block incoming messages, including verification codes. Expired subscription or blocked incoming services can also be a reason for not receiving text. Some services may not support Mint mobile numbers for verification purposes. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can resolve many temporary glitches. For Android, press and hold the power button until the restart option appears. Tap restart if unresponsive. Hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 seconds to force a restart. For iOS, hold the sleep or wake button until slide to power off appears. Slide it off, then press the sleep or wake button again to restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Check for typo errors and country code. Ensure you have entered your phone number correctly. Include the correct country code, example +1 for the USA or +91 for India. Double check for spaces or incorrect digits in your phone number. Fix 3. Try different website for verification code. If you are not receiving OTPs or verification code, test with another website or app to confirm if the issue is specific to one service. Some services may experience delays due to server side problems. Fix 4. Turn off Wi Fi calling and texting. Wi Fi calling or texting can interfere the SMS delivery. Android, go to settings, then connections, then go to Wi Fi calling, turn off. On iOS, navigate to settings, go to phone, then Wi Fi calling, toggle off. If you cannot see the Wi Fi calling option, the option is not supported by your current version of Android. Fix 5. Check for network coverage. Poor network coverage can block OTPs or messages. Ensure your phone has sufficient signal strength. Switch between mobile data and Wi Fi to test connectivity. Swipe down the quick settings or control center. Enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it to refresh your connection. Fix 6. Use incognito mode. Sometimes browser cache or cookies interfere with verification process. Using incognito mode can bypass these issues. On Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. In Safari, go to File, then go to New Private Window. On Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Try accessing the website or app in incognito mode and resend the code. Fix 7. Try different browser. If you are unable to receive a verification code from a particular website, try sending the code from a different website or service. For example, log out of your Gmail account and attempt to log back in using verification codes. If the verification process works fine on another website, this indicates the issue is with the original website. In such cases, wait for some time and try resending the code later or even the next day. Alternatively, opt for a different verification method such as receiving a code via phone call or WhatsApp message instead of SMS or email. Fix 8. Remove and reinsert SIM. A SIM card issue can cause connectivity problems. Turn off your phone, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage, and clean it gently. Reinsert the SIM card into the tray and place it back into your phone. Turn your phone back on and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 9. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can help resolve verification code issues by addressing underlying connectivity and configuration problems. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Reset, then go to Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Fix 10. Check DND status. If DND is enabled, your device may not alert you about incoming messages or calls, which could prevent you from noticing verification code. Turning off DND ensures that all notifications are received without restrictions, resolving issues with missed verification code. On iOS, swipe down to open the Control Center tab, focus, and then select Do Not Disturb. On Android, swipe down from the top of the screen, locate the DND icon circle with a dash and tap it. Fix 11. Contact Mint Mobile Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to Mint Mobile Support. Visit the official help center, Mint Mobile Health Center for direct assistance. Contact Mint Mobile customer service through their website or app and request them to check short messages features from their end. If short message is disabled, you will face issues with the receiving messages. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.